quickly. Right, start. Right, she's coming home from work. It's quite dark. No, it's really wrong.
She's opening the door.
Seems really, there's a mysterious feeling in the air. She don't know what's wrong. She goes into the kitchen. The house is scarily empty. She's thrown her house looking for someone. She can't find her husband. She runs up the steps.
She sees the door, bedroom door wide open.
She doesn't know what to think. She's quite scared. Then she finds him dead on the floor.
So she begins to run.
She gets out the door. She's running through the forest.
Music starts to pick up a bit.
She's still running through the forest. It's really dark. There's no one around. She starts to feel a bit calmer. Still mourning the loss of her greatly loved husband, not knowing what to do. She's all over the place about it. Then she finds an old abandoned house in the woods. She doesn't know if to feel safe or scared. She's opening the door. And there's nothing there. So she carries on walking. She's checking out the house now, seeing if there's anything useful. Walking up the steps. Nothing there. But what's this? She goes into the bathroom. There's blood. And then the killer.